Kim.com. He is a German-Finnish internet entrepreneur and hacker, who founded the file-sharing website Megaupload. He also made over $200 million from his online ventures. However, he also lived opulently, with a mansion in New Zealand, a fleet of luxury cars, and a private jet.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
People who tried to be rich, got handsome money, then lost all and again became poor. There are many examples of such people in history and in the present, who rose to fame and fortune, but then fell to ruin and misery. Here are some of them. Mike Tyson, he was one of the most successful and feared boxers of all time, who earned over $400 million in his career. However, he also spent lavishly on mansions, cars, jewelry, and exotic animals. He also faced legal troubles, such as divorce, bankruptcy, rape conviction, and tax evasion. He lost all his money and assets, and had to declare bankruptcy in 2003. He mismanaged his investment by spending lavishly on things that he did not need or use, such as mansions, cars, jewelry, and exotic animals. He also made wrong steps by getting involved in drugs, violence, and crime, which damaged his reputation and career. He also faced bad luck by losing some of his fights and suffering injuries. He also faced legal troubles by owing millions of dollars in taxes, alimony, and lawsuits. MC Hammer, he was one of the most popular and influential rappers of the 1990s, who sold over 50 million albums worldwide. He also amassed a fortune of over $70 million at his peak. However, he also lived extravagantly, with a 40,000 square foot mansion, a staff of 200 people, and a fleet of luxury vehicles. He also faced lawsuits from former employees, creditors, and music publishers. He lost all his money and filed for bankruptcy in 1996. He mismanaged his investment by living extravagantly, with a huge mansion, a staff of 200 people, and a fleet of luxury vehicles. He also made wrong steps by investing in risky ventures that did not pay off, such as a record label, a clothing line, and a cartoon series. He also faced bad luck by losing popularity and sales due to changing musical trends and competition. He also faced legal troubles by being sued by former employees, creditors, and music publishers. Nicolas Cage, he is one of the most famous and versatile actors in Hollywood, who has starred in over 100 movies and won an Oscar. He also earned over $150 million in his career. However, he also spent recklessly on real estate, art, cars, jewelry, and rare items. He also faced legal issues, such as divorce, tax debt, and fraud allegations. He lost most of his money and had to sell many of his assets to pay off his debts. He mismanaged his investment by spending recklessly on real estate, art, cars, jewelry, and rare items. He also made wrong steps by choosing poor roles and projects that did not perform well at the box office or with critics. He also faced bad luck by losing some of his assets due to natural disasters or theft. He also faced legal troubles by owing millions of dollars in taxes, divorce settlements, and fraud allegations. Kim.com. He is a German-Finnish internet entrepreneur and hacker, who founded the file-sharing website Megaupload. He also made over $200 million from his online ventures. However, he also lived opulently, with a mansion in New Zealand, a fleet of luxury cars, and a private jet. He also faced criminal charges, such as piracy, racketeering, money laundering, and fraud. He lost most of his money and assets after his website was shut down by the US government in 2012. He mismanaged his investment by living opulently, with a mansion in New Zealand, a fleet of luxury cars, and a private jet. He also made wrong steps by violating the laws and regulations of various countries with his file-sharing website Megaupload. He also faced bad luck by being targeted by powerful enemies such as the US government and the entertainment industry. He also faced legal troubles by being accused of piracy, racketeering, money laundering, and fraud. Elizabeth Holmes, she is an American businesswoman and inventor, who founded the blood testing company Theranos. She also became the youngest self-made female billionaire in history at the age of 31. However, she also lied about the technology and performance of her company, which claimed to revolutionize healthcare with a single drop of blood. She also faced legal actions, such as lawsuits from investors, customers, and regulators. She lost all her money and reputation after her company was exposed as a fraud in 2015. She mismanaged her investment by lying about the technology and performance of her blood testing company Theranos. She also made wrong steps by deceiving her investors, customers, and regulators with false claims and fake results. She also faced bad luck by being exposed by whistleblowers and journalists who revealed her fraud. She also faced legal troubles by being sued by investors, customers, and regulators. These are some of the people who tried to be rich, got handsome money, then lost all and again became poor. They are examples of how greed, extravagance, dishonesty, and misfortune can lead to downfall and despair. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe and share with others and give your valuable feedback. See you in next video.